Hello guys, tara luto tayo ng mitsadong baka o beef. Ayan, nagisa na akong bawang sibuyas at luya. Hinalo ko na yung karni. Haluin ng maigi. Kung maayos, ayan, nilagyan ko na ng tomato paste at saka tomato sauce. Nilagyan ko rin ng black pepper, oyster sauce. Tapos, all-purpose seasoning. Ayan, at saka 3 pirasong bay leaves. Takipan hanggang sa maluto. Ayan, malapit ng maluto. Thank you for watching guys. See you in my next video. Hope you enjoy. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.